Let's be honest, nakaka-stress yung basang kitchen counter after maghugas ng dishes. Good thing I found this drying mat. It's minimalist but super absorbent. It absorbs water so fast, no mess, no puddles. Hindi mo na kailangan ng towel na basang-basa all day. Cleanup is super easy, just wipe, fold, and tuck it away. Ang convenient especially kung limited space sa kitchen mo. Perfect under your dish rack or even just on its own. It keeps everything organized and dry without ruining your kitchen aesthetics. The material, it's soft, durable, and quick dry. Hindi rin siya nagiging smelly even after regular use. If you're into functional but stylish kitchen tools, this one's a must-have. I left the link in the comment section, description box, and the yellow basket.